What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go visit the homie Jacob at the Wires Only and TBTFW supercar hypercar car dealership. Private, not anybody can just go in there, walk in and check out the cars. You gotta, I think, know somebody, or you gotta have like an invitation. So it's pretty cool, pretty special. They got a bunch of cars. We're gonna go check them out. Hopefully we can, I don't know, shoot a car, drive a car, maybe buy a car, I don't know. But make sure you guys hit that subscribe and the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Let's go pull up and check out the lot. Such a nice day here in Beverly Hills, guys. So many nice houses. Hopefully one day in the future we can live here in Beverly Hills. We are in the M4 GTS today. Got a nice wash, got her cleaned up. Got that cage, that fire extinguisher. Alrighty guys, well, we're about to enter the dealership. Starting off, we got the Bronco right here. Check this out. So sick. Starting off, we got the G-Wagon with the white interior. We got the new Lamborghini Urus S. I don't know what color this is. It looks like a Grigio Telesto, like a Nardo gray. Got the yellow around the wheels. And then as you check out the interior, as you can see, full Alcantara with the Urus logo. All the yellow on the dash. Urus on the seats with Alcantara. Got some Alcantara up there. I like this yellow trim a lot. And then, like I said, yellow brake calipers with the pinstripe around. And on the hood, you got these like vents right here, gloss black. This thing is so freaking beautiful. So there's the Urus S, and then the Urus Performante. This is the Urus S. Still freaking badass. It's like a Nardo gray color with the yellow seatbelts. I just noticed that too. That's sick. Look at that whole lot, guys. There's some crazy ass rare cars in here. So I believe we got the 488 Spider. We got the Turbo S, like a Nardo gray with the blue interior. We got the Huracan Performante. It's got the headlights tinted, blacked out. We got the GT2 RS, one of my favorites. Looks so good, and it's a white stock package as well. We got the SF90, like a matte white with the blue interior. Let's check out this interior real quick. Damn, look at those seats. Oh my gosh. So clean. We got the Lamborghini Countach. This is like super rare. It's like I think over $1 million car right now. It's insane. They're all sold out. When Lamborghini released these, I remember they were sold out. So sick. Let's check out the interior real quick on the GT2 RS. Got the white stock package in there. Look at that. With the red steering wheel on top. Fire. We got the SLS, Mercedes AMG. We got the homie Jacob with his Mercedes EQS. But yeah, guys, crazy ass cars in here. Which one should we buy, guys? Which one? So clean. Cullinans. Look at this interior on this Cullinan. It's like a burnt orange black badge with the pinstripe. Look at that interior, guys. The specs that they get are insane. Look at this. Two-tone, crazy ass interior specs. Insane. Look at this baby blue one right here. Baby blue calipers with the baby blue interior. Two-tone, black badge. They're all black badges. That's how you tell it's a black badge.
Oh, hold on. Sure.
What's up, Jacob?
Don't throw me on camera. Say hi to me, please.
Guys, they have some crazy cars. Look at this. Oh my. Insane. Check out the Countach interior. Beautiful with the full red interior. Oh my gosh, dude. We got the Lamborghini Reventon. This came out, I forgot what year it came out, but super rare. I don't think I've ever even seen one in person, just like online. So it's pretty cool to see one in person. Look at the wheels, got that interior. Damn. Look at those seats, like green. Reventon. Number 5 of 20, that's what it says. And then we got the Holy Grail. We got the Koenigsegg. Full carbon fiber, the wheels everywhere. Insane. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the spoiler, look at the rear. Crazy. Look at this bike. Guys, they have too many cars. Look at the SS here. Look at that. Insane. Come through. I'm about to buy a new car right now. Come through. Alrighty, guys. I need your guys' help. I'm debating on the Countach or the Reventon. Which one should I take? Sheesh. Wait, so which one are we shooting today?
We're probably gonna fill up the Bugatti, go get that washed and fill it up. You want to shoot the Urus?
Yeah.
We could take out the Urus. It's already outside.
With that blue interior, custom.
Exclusive manufacturer. You see the stamp right there in the middle? It's embossed.
Oh, look at that, guys.
Exclusive manufacturer. This is the
ballers
second
only.
one we've had with the blue interior.
Big ballers only. We got the GTS. We got the EQS. It looks so good. Did the wheels black, lowered it, window tints.
Spaces.
Looks like a spaceship, bro. Look at that.
Delete.
It looks so freaking good. Should we get a Cullinan, guys? I think we need a Rolls Royce in our life. Congrats, bro. Congrats. Congrats. Rich. Oh, this is too clean right here. White with that two-tone. Look at that. Stupid clean. One thing I did forget to show you guys is this BMW bike right here. Check this out. Crazy. Look at that. How do we look in the Urus, guys?
Where do you stay?
Alrighty, guys, we're in the Urus following the Bugatti. Sheesh. Guys, this Bugatti is insane. Urus or Bugatti? It's wild. Look at all the little kids reacting right now. Bugatti, Bugatti! Sheesh. The big homie Coco.
Yes, sir.
¿Cómo estás?
What,
Bien?
bro?
Cleaning that Gotti. That blue carbon Bugatti. Rich. Look at that blue carbon. Shit is insane, dude. Wild. Oh my gosh. This thing is too freaking beautiful, guys. One day, hopefully, I can have this in the garage and this in the garage.
Nosotros
No, pero tiene like people.
Look at that interior,
I
though.
know, just a few people. It's
Fire.
not a lot, you know? So that's why.
Bugatti Chiron. Oh my god. This thing is insane.
Damn, the EQS looks hot.
Look how low your car looks.
That shit is slam.
Insane. Insane. Oh my. You guys hear that? Insane. Oh my god. Ferrari 812 or something like that, F12 and Largo. Got the carbon wheels, full red interior with Alcantara. Look at that rear end. Insane. What a crazy spec. And I believe this is factory matte red as well. Just look at that thing. Thing is insane. Alrighty guys, well, we were gonna shoot the Urus here and the Turbo S, but lighting is terrible, so we're gonna hop in the Turbo S now. We're gonna go to a different spot. This one's got blue interior. It's super nice. Alright, the Turbo S, insanely fast. See if the Lambo can keep up. Who's gonna win? Turbo S? that double screen.
I forgot how to use
That's
that.
fire. Look at the front.